Everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food Channel. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's recipe, I am going to share with you my amazing lamb soup recipe, a very delicious lamb pepper soup, Ghana style. So if you are interested and want to know how to achieve this amazing soup, please keep on watching, and I'll see you next time for another delicious and simple Mrs. Dre food recipes. So this is my leg of lamb already cut. So the first step is to wash it. So I'm going to wash it with some cold water, and I'll be washing it for about 2 to 3 times to make sure the meat is nice and clean. And then to steam my meat, I'm going to blend peppercorns, aniseed, star anise, rosemary, garlic, ginger, and onions. So I've got my garlic, ginger, onions, and my spices in my blender, and then I'm going to add some tomato paste or tomato puree, just about 1 tablespoon. And then I am going to add a little bit of water to blend it. And then I'm going to pour the mixture over my meat and add some seasoning. So for this recipe, I'll be adding lamb seasoning, and it is from the brand Raja. It is a very good brand, by the way. I'm also going to add some salt to taste, and that's all for the seasoning for now. Then I'm going to give it a good stir, and this is not compulsory, you don't have to do it, but I also like to add just half of a small diced onion, but you don't have to do it. And then I'll go ahead and add in scotch bonnet peppers, onions. This is a large onion, so I cut it into 4 pieces. And I am also going to add my aubergine, and again this was an extra large aubergine, so I cut it into 6 pieces and I added 4 pieces, but you should be fine with only 2 pieces. And then I also added my fresh tomatoes. So I'm going to let it cook until all the veggies are soft enough to be blended. And I am back after about 10 minutes to check on it. It is not quite ready yet, so I'm just going to stir it and let it cook a little bit further. Now that the veggies are cooked, I am going to take them out and put them straight into my blender. And I don't know if you have noticed it, but I did put some toothpicks in my onions. It's just because I don't want them to be falling apart. But if you do it, do not forget to get them out of the onion so that you don't blend it. Okay, so here is one example. So I'm now going to blend it. Guys, I'm going to put everything straight in the pot, but you can also strain it if you want your soup to be very light. So then I'm going to add in water. So depending on how light or thick I want my soup, I'm going to add enough water. And of course, you know me and my mushrooms, I'm going to add my favorite oyster mushrooms. And remember when I told you I used an extra large aubergine? This is the aubergine that was left. So I'm just adding it just to have a bit more veggies, and an extra scotch bonnet for those who like it extra spicy. And I know it's going to be myself. So I let it cook for about 15 minutes on a medium heat, and then I decided to add my seasoning. So this is Sankofa's beef and chicken seasoning, one of my favorites. I always mention it. A bit more of food seasoning, and of course some salt to taste. You can always adjust it to your taste. Stir, and then I am going to let it cook until it is ready, and I'll know it is ready when the oil settles on top. And you know, lamb or mutton is always very fatty, so the oil settles on top very quickly, and you see it very quickly as well. So this is my lamb soup here, and it looks amazing and it smells heavenly in the kitchen. So yeah, this is it. So my dear friends, this is my lamb meat pepper soup, Ghana style. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumb up, and also try this pepper soup. You are not going to regret it. It is very, very delicious, especially with fufu. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time for another Mrs. Chewy food recipe. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and to put your notification bell on so that you don't miss any of my recipes. Thank you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye, and God bless you all.